Alright, so in today's video, I'll be reviewing the brand new Supreme backpack for the Spring/Summer 20 season, and this bag retails for $148, and I have it in the blue chocolate chip camo colorway, and if you don't like this color, there are 3 other options you can choose from, and they'll be black, red, and gold. So if you don't like this color, you do have a couple other options to pick from, and for this video, I will be giving a close-up review in the beginning, just so you can see all the features of this bag, and then at the end of the video, I will be throwing this bag on, just so you can see what it looks like on an actual person, and just to give you a size perspective of how it looks when someone's actually wearing it. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And before I get into it, if you would please subscribe to my channel just so you can see when I upload another video. And now let's get right into it. So starting off with the outside of this bag is made of a mixture of mesh as well as the Cordura fabric that pretty much all the other Supreme bags are made out of. And starting off at the front of the bag, it has a black box logo, which pretty much all the past Supreme bags have some form of a box logo on the front of it. And it also does say Supreme under this mesh part. So if you want to see that, you have to unzip this mesh compartment right here, and opening it up, you can see it says Supreme on the inside. And the camo pattern is not printed on this fabric, it's actually printed on the mesh, so that's what kind of makes it hard to see. Just if you're far away, you might not be able to see that it says Supreme on it. So moving on either side there are 2 water bottle slots, and it also has the camo pattern printed on either side of it. And then the only other feature on the front is these little loops on them, so you can like stick your finger through these. I don't know what you would use these for though. And then on either side it has this clip just so you can securely fasten your bag, and this is adjustable so it doesn't come open. And then moving on to the back of this bag, the straps are both in camo, and there's also a camo line that goes down the middle, and then also it says Supreme in black lettering. And then there's the 2 mesh panels on either side in blue. And then moving on to the close-up of the straps, there is a strap in the middle so you can connect these if you want to like have the backpack secure on you or something. And then there's also the same little loops on either side, just like there was on the front. And then both these straps are adjustable. On the top of the bag, there is a little backpack hook just so you can hook this onto something. And there's a top pocket, so unzipping that, you can see you could probably fit something, whatever you want in here. You definitely cannot fit your phone in here just because this pocket isn't very big. And it is segmented off so you can put whatever you want on either side. So that's pretty much it for the outside of this bag. Now moving on to the pockets. I've already showed you the first pocket in the front, so that you can see through this pocket. That's like a mesh pocket, so you can put whatever you want in here, but people will be able to see what you put in here just because it's see-through. And there are 2 main compartments on this backpack, and if you want to open these up all the way, you do have to unclip both of these, so that's kind of unfortunate. And then here's the first of the 2 main compartments. This one isn't as big as the other one, but there's still a decent amount of room. There isn't like an organization thing in the front, like right here. Usually the Supreme bags in the past have had a pocket or like some pen holder on here, which is kind of unfortunate that it doesn't have. I kind of wish it had that, but what are you going to do? So that is it for this compartment. And then moving on to the main compartment, there is a laptop sleeve, but I don't know how big of a laptop you could fit in here just because it's not very big. And it's also plain on the inside, no organization pouches or pencil holders or whatever on the inside, which is really unfortunate. Most of the Supreme bags in the past have had that, so kind of disappointed that they don't have that. And there's no pouch up here either, so also disappointing. Just one little detail, it does say Supreme all over this fabric. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but it does say that, so you'll be able to see it easier if you have this in hand. So that wraps up all the features of this backpack. Overall, it's a really simple backpack compared to the backpacks that they've released in the past, so kind of disappointing, but I still think it looks really good. So now I'll throw it on just so you can see what it looks like on a person, so let's get right into that. All right, so now on to the on-body portion of this review, and as you can see, it looks really good. This backpack's actually so nice. I might have to get the black one of this. And I did put some clothes in here just to give you like a realistic look of what it would look like if you have stuff in it. And just for like a size perspective, I am 6'1", so this is what the bag looks like if you're like 6 foot, 6'1". So obviously it'll fit if you're shorter than me. And even if you're taller, it would still fit. I think this is pretty much a one size fits all. And the straps are adjustable, so if you're taller, you can loosen the straps, or if you're shorter, you can tighten them up. So just like give me a close-up look of the bag. You can see the box logo branding on it and the mesh on the outside. I think this bag's like really nice in person, honestly. This is definitely one of the best bags I've seen from Supreme in a while. So maybe in the future, you'll see me cop the black one just because I don't personally like the color blue. So maybe in the future, I'll have to get the black one just so I can use it as a personal. So definitely one of the nicer Supreme bags that I've released in the past, but one of the only problems is the amount of pockets on the inside. Like usually the Supreme bags have like decent organization. Like usually the Supreme bags have some organization features on the inside of the pockets, but for some reason this year they didn't put those on there, so I don't know why they didn't do that, but that's like my only problem with this bag. But other than that, this is definitely one of the best backpacks from Supreme, probably since Spring Summer 18, that was definitely the last year that people liked the bags. So that's it for the on-body portion of the review. Now on to the rest of the video. So that wraps up my review of the Supreme Spring Summer 20 backpack. Drop a comment down below what you think of this backpack and if you think it's better than the Supreme bags that they've released in the past. I think this is a really nice bag, but it is pretty simple compared to the other ones. There isn't really as many organization slots inside of the main compartments as there have been in the past, but I will be releasing a comparison video between this bag and to the Fall 1 and 19 backpack, just so you can see similarities and differences between the two and help you decide if you want to buy either of them. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it so you can see when I upload more videos. I'll be releasing Supreme videos all throughout this season, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.